Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add music in CapCut. Let's get started. Once you're in the CapCut app, open your project. If you have anything selected, press the back button to clear it. Then tap on Audio at the bottom and select Sounds. CapCut offers a library of free music. You can preview a track by tapping on its cover. If you like it, press the plus icon to add it to your project. If you want to use your own music, tap Sounds again, then select the file or folder icon at the top. You can extract audio from a video, choose a file from your device, or import from iTunes. Once selected, tap Add to insert it into your timeline. To edit the audio, tap and hold to move it. You can also trim the start and end points, split it, or delete parts. To adjust the volume, select the audio, tap Volume, and set it as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to add music in CapCut.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.